Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I have been finding this Huhubol eye massager to be so relaxing and calming. If you're like me, then you probably spend a lot of time in front of a computer, a tablet, or a cell phone screen. That can be really tiring on your eyes and lead to things like tension headaches. I found that using this for just 10 minutes helps me to relax and feel some relief. I especially like the way that it massages around my sinus areas because I do feel a lot of stress and strain there. I didn't think that I would care for the warm part of this massager, but using the dynamic mode alternates between cold and warm, and I found it to be really soothing. I thought the cold mode was especially nice when I was suffering from a headache. It really helped to soothe some of the symptoms. You can choose to turn off the music or keep it playing. I found that it actually helped me to kind of disconnect from what was happening around me and just concentrate on relaxing and releasing tension. My husband used it and he was so comfortable. He said he could have easily fallen asleep. I did have to kind of move it around a little bit just to get the right fit. Obviously, everybody's face shape and size is different, but I was able to get a comfortable fit for it just by making some minor adjustments even while I had it on. If you're looking for something that's going to help you to relax and relieve tension from eye fatigue or tension headaches, I recommend checking out this eye massager from Huhubol. I've really enjoyed using it, and that's my point of view.